Oh yeah. What's up guys? Today I just flew my drone and it's been a while since I tried it, basically because of the weather. Either it's raining or it's just cloudy. Today is actually good but cold, as you see down here. I was just going out shooting some photos because the sun was up and I could walk with the dog at the same time and check out some of my photos that I will post right here. Let's see if I can make a small vlog video about this. See you later and have a great day. Remember to subscribe my channel and check out some of my other videos.